welcome back to another vlog, and hope you guys have all been well.
Yes guys, hello to you all. Signature has and RJ Games always tells you about snatching them gains. So go get yourself something to snatch, something good, whether it's fitness, whether it's money, whether it's success in general, or happiness, or even a cheat meal. Go snatch yourself some gains, because we're sure doing that right now.
And we never stop. The food's here.
Okay, so you've got the delicious grilled chicken wings, you got the ribs, you've got sheesh.
Ooh, and the ribs.
Check out the meat on that. Oh, that's gonna be soft so and such. You got couscous underneath, you've got rice underneath that, and then you've got all the peppers and kofte.
Chicken wings, guys.
This is pretty much the usual you get, but this is the full platter. And you got the doner, lamb and chicken doner. Okay, kofte is cut up, it seems. Me and Has gonna cane this.
Can't wait.
Delicious salad, check it out. Look at all that effort. Bread. And then we got our lamb shank here. Check this brother out. And then got some dip,
so good.
Spinach and yogurt, hummus, and extra sauce. And then obviously the necessities, chili sauce and garlic sauce.
And the chips, guys. We can never forget the chips.
We'll get our own chili sauces.
Okay. So I'll take my one on this side. We love our chili sauce, guys.
Yeah. And this is with that pomegranate dressing, so have this.
To go in with the ribs, guys.
He told me this is a great salad. He said it's pomegranate dressing in it. So, let's try it. I'm going to take a little bread.
The ribs is so tender, so delicious. Just the spices, I think it's spot on.
I'm going to have to do a big chunk of rib. Big chunk. Thank you very much.
It's perfect, thank you.
So we get a side of onion and parsley always. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that.
I'm going to have to go with chicken wings, guys. Chicken wings. Check it out. We love the way they slice up the chicken as well, so the flavour goes right in. Oh, no, it's gonna be delicious, guys.
Now check the size of that. That's lamb.
Oh,
look at how it just goes straight through. Look at that. Oh. Got another piece. Look. Boom. Look at that. Boom.
Ooh, that
look at that. Good. Cut through there. Take it all apart. You know what? And then look at the sauce.
And we have more sauce on the
now
side.
It's time for a taste test.
Food is great here, guys.
You get big thumbs up from me.
I've got food everywhere, my god. I love my potatoes, guys.
Yeah, especially these. The meat and rice, because their doner is the best. Because it's not full on Lebanese style and it's not Turkish. It's got that nice in between proper meat. So I'm having doner and rice.
It's such soft potatoes, guys. It just falls off, guys. It just falls off.
You just poke it and it comes straight off.
Okay, where do I wanna? We're messy eaters, guys.
Oh my god, if you guys ever came out with us to eat, you'd know what eating is all about. We don't mess around when it comes to eating. Let me make another wrap so they can see how it's done. This is what you guys really need to learn. Look at this. You see this? Proper meat. This is proper meat here. Yeah? Look at that. Proper meat there. Yeah? When you go to your places and it's just grey pieces of meat, that's just not worth it.
That's not really meat.
Well, it is,
really
but it's not even done properly. Look at how succulent this is. Unless you're having like a deer or something. And then we're gonna have to handle this. Get some onions in. I'm gonna have to do my hands.
Your hands, I can see.
I have to. I mean, it's going in my mouth anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah, and that's what you should do. It's delicious using your hands.
Yep, and we get some parsley in there. As you can see, we shove it all in. Yeah,
yep.
This one I can't handle. The balsamic, the pomegranate juice, get that all in there. Get those juices flowing. And then we nib one of these off. Boom. Oh, okay, we can't nib it.
Maybe not so easily.
They do it so easily in the places. Pop that in there. Get your chili sauce just flowing through. Chili, nice tomatoey chili sauce. Get it in there like salsa. And then you get your garlic sauce.
That's looking delicious, RJ.
Ooh, look at that drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
Okay.
Loads of garlic.
A few moments later.
This is a moment of truth, not even the truth from power. This is the moment of pure truth and nothing but truth. So let's get in there. Look at it, it looks like a nice little wrap I made up. See, we even become chefs when it comes to food. Right,
we are chefs. Oh. How is that, RJ? Is it good? Is it yummy? It's delicious.
You guys have never tasted wrap before. You need to dine out with us to know it. Just leave it there. Alright. And obviously, the chips goes chili sauce, garlic sauce.
Going in for the second one, guys. Cannot
check you out.
Talk about getting messy, guys.
Talk about enjoying the food. Okay. So now we've got some. Let's get the wings going. Have you shown them the wings? Let's see. I know all of this stuff is good because
I love the wings.
That's why we always want everything. Let's try a bit of sheesh with rice. Splatter a bit of sauce on there. And let's get in. Alright, we're going for the chicken sheesh. Chicken sheesh time.
Going with my hands, guys. Everything's perfect, so delicious. Thank you, so good. Thank you.
Really nice. So, chuck it all up. Chuck it all up.
That looks nice.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna have
right. Who tempted you?
already do something.
It's the best item on the menu because it's a mix of all the best.
So it's this one here. So it's a Nissan special.
Yes, very good.
So it's for a group of people, so it's for 4 people, they say.
And that's for 4 people.
We just eat too much.
Yeah, we need to stop. Enjoy. Enjoy. We can't help but tempt people, guys. Normally we have our grills with the chili on the side. Bite it. Enjoy.
We snatch them games, but we share it with you guys, just the way we did with those. We share our games. So don't come snatching with us. Don't go fruit picking, come game snatching.
You have to do it with the chili, guys. I don't know how I forgot, but
you need that pickle flavour. Everyone's after the games, but no one's willing to snatch them.
Go snatch it, guys. Should we say bye to them here so you can actually appreciate the food now? Guys, have you guys seen enough?
We just have one more bite of a rib.
Another rib. But the ribs are delicious, guys. The ribs and the wings.
Look at this. This is why you end up getting your hands dirty. This is the reason why. That easy that came out.
When it comes to food, you can't care, guys. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes your tummy happy. Just, yeah, enjoy.
There's people looking at us, watching us. Do we care? No.
We're enjoying the food.
Because we're game snatchers. We're snatching games here. Right? It's food games.
It is indeed. Right, and it's getting cold, guys. So I'm going to now dig in and enjoy. And we'll catch you guys later. RJ, should we say bye? Should we say bye now? We're saying bye, guys.
Chips on you guys.
Yeah, take
Cheers
care.
to the chips.
Bye.